Good hotel, good location. The hotel stay in good location, not far from train station, metro and supermarket, fully facilities and clean. Quiet and secure for Asian face people. Staff are kindness. I am very enjoy with this hotel. Exceptional, a comfortable and nice hotel situated near to the bus and train station. Thumbs up emoji. I like the hotel evermore. The service, also the staff, is helpful. We enjoy staying at the hotel, safe and quiet place. Superb. 8 to 10 minutes walk to several metro stations and 3 to 5 minutes to bus stops, Carrefours and Manop nearby. This is conveniently located. The hotel is spotless. The breakfast is basic but sufficient to help you start your morning. They have coffee, tea, different types of water, candies, and sometime cake too, all throughout the day. The staff is friendly and polite. We stayed in a balcony room and we love the view of Parisian neighborhood from our balcony. Great Eiffel Tower view, amazing stay with a stunning Eiffel Tower view. The view of the Eiffel Tower from our room balcony was absolutely breathtaking. The room was spotless, and the staff were incredibly friendly and welcoming. A fantastic experience, highly recommend. Thank you for the wonderful stay. Great, enjoyed and highly recommended. Great location, friendly staff. Hotel Cervantes location is ideal for travelers who want to get around central Paris, explore malls and restaurants. It is a walking distance to Printemps and Galeries Lafayette, and at the same time, want a peaceful abode at night. 5 stars to the staff, especially to the Filipina at the reception. I'd love to stay here again. Great value hotel. It's convenient, fuss-free, safe and have very tasty cakes and flan on the house at reception daily throughout the day, in addition to coffee and tea. Beds are good and room are clean and well maintained. Highly recommended.